Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Living MN Outdoors. We got a special one for you guys. We're headed up to Mille Lacs Lake for the first time this season. We're gonna go up for a short trip. We're going up Friday night, staying over just one night. We're gonna fish all day on Saturday. We're not gonna be fishing in the ice castle much. We got some snowmobiles coming up with us. We're gonna go hit the mud flats, try and jig up some walleyes, and see what we can find. So stay tuned and see what we can catch. Just grab down low, so when you set the hook, you got room. Get up.
Got it?
Want to hand me that big camera?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. How's she feel?
Pretty big. Okay. Well guys, we got our first walleye on here.
It goes on a run. Let it go.
Yep, we have light line on here. First walleye of the night. First trip out on Mille Lacs.
Yep, nice walleye. Not a giant, but
yes.
decent one. Ready? I'm gonna grab him. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Oh my God. Hold them up.
Oh yeah. Whew. That's probably what. My fingers are stuck.
All right.
You had that good too.
Yeah, buddy.
Hold them up to show the camera. Nice fish. Probably
Fish, bud.
probably an 18.
Yeah.
17, 18.
I would guess 20.
Like that.
It's a nice fish.
Not a
So
bad one.
My phone's on my bed.
Okay.
let's get them unhooked and then
20.
21 is the start of the slot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's 20.
Not quite.
20 incher.
Not quite, but
that's
some nice Mille Lacs walleye.
That's a great first walleye, dude. That's a
Yeah.
great first walleye. All right, come back over.
You really can't complain with a fish like
Drop the
that.
head down.
And then hold this tail for just a second.
Yep.
And then when he tries to kick, just let him go.
There you go.
Waves
Ooh,
goodbye.
hey, hey, nicely done, Dalton. We just had to decide it's time to go to bed. That's all it was. Just had to give up hope.
First walleye ever. A 20 incher on Mille Lacs.
That's really good.
You almost caught a unicorn.
Unicorn?
A slot fish.
Oh.
There's not a ton of them, but
They're here.
Well guys, we just woke up out on Mille Lacs. It was those guys' first time ever staying out on the ice overnight. We caught one walleye last night and we missed one, so it wasn't fast by any means. But we had a good time, ate some good food. Dalton caught his first walleye ever. It was a 20 incher. And now we're just getting ready. We're gonna go out, we're gonna run and gun with the snowmobile, hole hop around, see what we can find. So stick with us and see what happens.
hey, biggest thing. Look for any ice heaves. There shouldn't be any out there, but don't hit them. Got anything to say to the camera? The things we do for fish, like riding for 6 to 8 miles in the back of a sled behind a snowmobile. Well, that's our plan, because we've been hitting the head too many times throughout the course of our life. So, whatever. We'll probably get there and fishing will suck even more than it does here, but we'll have some fun. You ever seen a fat man try to ride a small horse? You feel bad for the horse. That's what's going on for the snowmobile right now.
I'm getting so much snow in my face.
I know. You should try being lead guy.
Well guys, we're a third of the way there. Trip's going pretty good so far.
Sub the overheating.
We're getting a little covered in snow. Got frostbite in unmentionable places. But,
yourself.
you know, whatever it takes for the beloved walleye.
I couldn't see.
The rope just broke on the sled. Snowmobile didn't realize it. They left us. As you can
We're
see,
stuck out on the abyss.
there ain't nothing anywhere.
Hey, it's on here, right there.
They're coming back for us apparently. Guys, it's cold out here. Hey, the sun's coming up. Well guys, we made it to our destination. Mostly in one piece. And we're gonna just try and find the spot on the spot here, get set up, start jigging some walleyes. We are in the middle of the lake at this point. Well guys, we're gonna start drilling some holes. Well, Dalton strikes again.
Yeah. I had one on, but I didn't have my drag tight enough.
It's 18.5.
Nice. Can we get a good release on it?
Like 6 of them in here.
Nice job.
Nice.
There we go.
Good work, boys.
Home on the range, where the deer antelope play, where the seldom is heard, and the sturgeon word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
I've gone too long without a bite, guys.
Do I got something going on with my Vexlar?
Do you have your interference rejection thing? I'm not seeing any of that. Man, you would think if there was a walleye down there, I'd see that.
Dang it! I hit the interference button and everything goes away. Son of a...
I was like, man, if it's a good sized fish, I should be marking that.
Appreciate that. It is a big Cisco. Big cheese ball.
Oh, they're so greasy.
That thing was hot, man. She hit you, then she hit me. Well, I didn't get skunked on Mille Lacs, but it wasn't what I was hoping for. But boy, she wanted to get caught. You keeping this one for the smoker?
Oh, yeah.
But decent Mille Lacs cheeseburger grease ball of a Cisco here. All right. Cross.
Oh, jeez, we're blown away.
I know, because I'm oh boy. Sit back down. Here we go. All right, now I'm sitting back down. One of us has to be sitting down or it don't work.
So I came off the bottom and I used this little jig right here with the fat
Just
head
a
on it.
baby jig on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Aggressive
Frickin'
hit or no?
Slammed it. Yeah.
Yeah, he
Okay.
Nice job, man.
fought all the way up to the hole.
Let's get a good measurement on it. And
If you
we
need to
can't
lay it
keep
down, that might be easier.
we can't keep it, let's get her back. Nice and healthy.
Oh, finger's stuck. Ouch. All right, here you go. Lay it down on the ground.
Yep.
It's gonna be over.
I think it's gonna be over 21.
Pinch that tail. Yeah, you're 21. You're almost 22.
That's a keeper.
Hey.
Nice work, boys. That's what we're out here for. You caught a unicorn.
Oh, my fingers are stuck.
That's the walleye.
Just
for
on
ya.
a whole fathead, huh?
Yeah,
Nice work,
Perfect
man.
job, dude.
right on. It came right off bottom, was super active, just like a toolsy.
Hey, good call.
Well, guys, midday update here. We're still out on the mud. So far, I think we've caught 3 walleyes and 3 tulibies. One of them walleyes was a slot, or maybe the other way around. I'm not sure how you say that, but we could keep it. It was 21.5 inches. So it's been kind of slow, but we did get here kind of late in the late morning. It's about 2:30, 2:45 now. We're planning on staying till dark. So hopefully the fish pick up come evening, but until then we'll just keep jigging away.
Well guys, we're headed back from our trip. It's snowing, we're frozen, fishing sucked, and we're getting drugged by a snowmobile 6 miles again. Hope you enjoy the ride. It's a great day to be alive. And hopefully, by the end of this, we'll still be alive.
Well, it's the next day, guys. We got back to the ice castle after that long snowmobile ride. We were in a hurry to get packed up and get headed home. We had stuff we had to do, so I forgot to film the outro, but overall the trip was awesome. We took 2 high school kids out who don't get to walleye fish much. Dalton caught his first walleye along with his second and third. He had 2 PBs, of course, because they were his first ones ever. He got to keep one, which was really cool for him. We got some tullabies. Overall, it was quite the adventure. Had a ton of fun. Made strong friendships with all of them, and can't wait to get back out fishing with them again. But if you guys could, like this video, subscribe to the channel. If you would, share the video. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. But as always, get on out there and get lit.